Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Once upon a time, there was an island. This island was special. It was a home for all the feelings. Happiness lived there. So did sadness, knowledge, and many others. Among them was love. Love was different from the other feelings. Love was kind and caring. One day, something bad happened. The feelings heard a loud noise. The island was going to sink. All the feelings got scared. They needed to leave fast. They began to build boats. But love did not leave. Love wanted to stay until the very last moment. Love wanted to help. As the water rose, love was alone. Love looked around and felt worried. First, Richness passed by in a big boat. Love shouted, "Richness, can you take me with you?" Richness looked sad. "No, love. My boat is full of gold and silver. There is no space for you." Love felt sad. Next, Vanity passed in a beautiful boat. Love called, "Vanity, please help me." Vanity shook her head. "I can't help you, love. You are wet. You might ruin my beautiful boat." Then Sadness came by. Love said, "Sadness, can I go with you?" Sadness looked sad and said, "Oh, love, I need to be alone right now." Love watched Sadness go. Happiness passed too, but she was too happy. She could not hear Love calling. Just then, an old person appeared. The old person smiled and said, "Come, love, I will take you." Love was so grateful. Love quickly jumped in the boat. They sailed until they reached dry land. The old person, the elderly figure with a kind demeanor, helped Love, an anthropomorphic representation of the feeling of love, step out. But then the old person left. Love wanted to know who had helped. Love saw Knowledge and asked, "Who helped me?" Knowledge smiled softly and said, "It was Time." Love was surprised. "Time? Why did Time help me?" Knowledge answered gently, "Because only Time can understand how important love is." Love felt warm inside. Love was safe, thanks to Time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.